I am Dr. John Wycoff, and welcome to the Wycoff Wellness Center. Many patients have asked me why I practice less than conventional medicine, so if you will bear with me, I will share with you my story. I come from the world of conventional medicine. I grew up in rural Iowa in a typical working middle-class background. Medical school was at the Kirksville College of Osteopathic Medicine. I completed a one-year rotating internship at Metropolitan Hospital in Grand Rapids, Michigan, and a two-year family medicine residency at Sparrow Hospital in Lansing, Michigan. I served as chief resident during my final year at Sparrow. I started my family medical practice in association with St. Lawrence Hospital in Lansing. In my early years of practice, I was busy with the typical primary care issues: coughs, colds, and sore holes. I had a busy obstetrical practice, having the privilege to deliver over 3,000 babies in my career. I also had the privilege of serving as the elected chief of staff of St. Lawrence Hospital and most recently at Sparrow Hospital. Early on in my practice, though, I began to see that I struggled to get patients with chronic illness better. I struggled with the methods I had been taught to help patients with issues such as fatigue, depression, anxiety, IBS, insomnia, cancer, ADD, autism, and more. At about the same time in my life, I began experiencing issues with my personal health. After an extensive evaluation by my physician, I was told that my issues were related to stress and most likely some form of depression. I knew that this was not the correct diagnosis. I knew something else was wrong. As fate would have it, or whether it was divine intervention, whatever you believe, doors opened to me. My path to functional medicine was through the world of understanding allergy-related illness. I attended a course on allergy diagnosis and treatment taught by a family physician from Little Rock, Arkansas. He took time to talk with me after the conference, and in less than 30 minutes was able to determine that I was most likely suffering from adrenal, thyroid, and various hormonal imbalances and nutritional deficiencies. He encouraged me to pursue these items further. Well, I had the tests and evaluations done that he suggested, and indeed, nearly everything he mentioned turned out to be true. This affirmed my commitment to explore new ways to help patients with chronic disease improve their health problems. I have spent the last 18 years exploring new and exciting ways of healing, ways I never had been exposed to in my conventional training, and even more importantly, a new way to look at chronic illness. Instead of just treating the symptoms with more medications, I learned to look deeper and find the cause or causes of chronic illnesses and began a treatment approach at a much different level. All of this training culminated in the founding of the Wycoff Wellness Center in 2005. I have had the privilege to bring the wealth of my knowledge and over 20 years of experience to the mid-Michigan area. The mission of the Wycoff Wellness Center is to provide the highest level of service and explore natural options to treat chronic illness. We treat many health issues from autism to cancer, problems associated with hormonal imbalance to chronic fatigue, autoimmune illnesses to chronic digestive issues. You see, once you begin to understand the root cause of chronic health issues, most of these illnesses have common threads. All you need to do is know where to begin to look to find the solutions. My staff and I are committed to be of service to you with your chronic health problems. Our approach is unique. I have a bigger toolbox at my beck and call that I can use to help you with your problems. Please take a few minutes to browse our website. It is full of information that you can begin to use today to improve your health and wellness naturally. If we may be of further service, please do not hesitate to contact our office via phone or email. We are here to be of help and service to you. The Wycoff Wellness Center, our results can change your life.